आज हम सॉल्व करेंगे इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री का वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द जेईई एंड नीट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, एंड द क्वेश्चन गिवन as to the standard reduction potential values of three metallic and X, Y and Z are given to us, and we have to find out the order of reducing power of this corresponding metal ions. So first we need to understand one of the concept before understanding this question. So concept is reduction potential of any metal. Reduction potential of any metal is inversely proportional to the reducing power. Okay, so if reduction potential is high, their reducing power would be low. So now we'll just check the value. X is having the highest reduction potential, so X will be having the lowest reducing power. Okay, as Y is having lowest reduction potential, Y will be having the highest reducing power, and this is given in the option 1. So option 1 would be correct and rest 3 options would be